Welcome to my channel. How to store photos in Synology NAS drives. 1. Start and connect NAS. Plug your Synology NAS into power, connect to router with Ethernet, and turn it on. Wait for the lights to stabilize before setup. 2. Access DSM. Go to find.synology.com in your browser. Log in or create an admin account if it's new. 3. Update and check storage. Install DSM updates for better security and performance. Check storage space in Storage Manager. 4. Create shared folder. Open Control Panel right pointing arrow shared folder right pointing arrow create. Name it Photos or something easy to recognize. 5. Set permissions. Give yourself full read, write access. Allow family or coworkers upload rights if needed. 6. Install Synology Photos. Go to Package Center and install Synology Photos. It's the modern app to manage and view pictures. 7. Upload your photos. Drag and drop via web, sync folders with PC, or auto-upload via mobile app. Choose the method that's easiest for you. 8. Organize albums. Create albums by events, trips, or categories. Use tags, favorites, and timeline features for easy search. 9. Enable remote access. Set up Quick Connect in DSM for remote viewing. Access your photos from anywhere with a secure Synology link. 10. Enjoy and maintain. Browse and share your organized photo library. Keep DSM updated and check permissions if issues appear. Thanks for watching.